So when you're using products like Hyo offers, like their washable, reusable charcoal pads, which is what my mom has been using now for almost a year to help with her issues with incontinence, you're not only helping to save the planet by not putting waste into the planet that is not biodegradable, which is polluting the planet, it's killing off marine life left and right, but you're also helping to save money. So it's just kind of like a full circle. You're helping other people by supporting their company, but you're also helping yourself by not wasting money, and we're also helping the planet. So my mom has been using these, like I said, for close to a year. She uses the regular size and the mini, and they just simply wrap around your panties so they don't go anywhere. And she's been using these and stopped buying pads altogether for those issues with incontinence. And so I will leave you guys a couple videos down below if you're interested. They also have a product called Boob Tape, so it's really great for women of all sizes. So it gives you support, but it also gives you lift. It's great for you know, wearing when you're wearing shirts or dresses, for instance, that really don't look very well or are not conducive to bra wearing. Sometimes when you wear like keyhole shirts or off the shoulder stuff and you see a bra, it's almost kind of tacky sometimes. It happens to me all the time in my outfits of the day. I can turn around, I see my bra after, I'm like, oh my gosh. But anyway, yeah, so this company is really great. They're super supportive of women. They use eco-friendly products. They're very affordable, and they have great customer service. They always get back to you when you have a question. And my mom, like I said, has been using these for almost a year, and she's very, very happy. So you're saving money, you're helping save the planet, you're helping support small businesses, which is vital, especially today.